Hi there Songbird, Kerri ho from the songbirdtree.com, where we get grounded, take flight and sing. And today I'm going to show you how to sing with vibrato. Okay, now before I get into today's content, I really have to tell you about my ultimate vocal warm-up guide ebook. You're going to love it. It is like an ebook that has all of my tips on how to warm up and in a systematic, orderly way, which will be the best way to optimally warm up your voice so that you sound great and also so that you protect your voice and really get the most out of your voice. So if you'd like to get that for free, please do click on the link in the description box below. Alright, back to today's subject, which is how to sing with vibrato. Now, vibrato is actually a really tricky subject because a lot of people feel like vibrato is something that you can put on. You know, so I can try and sing a note with vibrato by trying to manufacture it. So for example, I might go, and really try and manufacture the vibrato. That's actually not how vibrato is correctly executed. So that's the first thing I really need you to know. I need you to understand that vibrato is not something that we try to put on. Vibrato is something that will come very naturally if you've got your singing technique right. Now, two keys to a great vibrato that will come naturally. Number one is your breath. And it's particularly the exhale. We're going to go through an exercise to get you all over that in a second. And then the second thing is just a loose and open throat. And again, I'm going to give you an exercise for that. So you ready? We're going to go for the first one, which is the breath. Now, with the breathing exercise, we're going to focus on the exhale today. So the key to a very natural vibrato is that your exhale when you're actually singing. So when we're singing, we're actually exhaling breath, right? That is very even, that you're not sort of going, taking a good breath in and then going, and sort of like, you know, letting it all come out all at once really quickly. The key to a healthy, correctly executed, natural sounding vibrato is that your exhale is slow and steady. So you've got a steady stream of air that's going through the note. Now, how do we actually, cultivate that? So one of the things that I'd love you to start practicing from now on in order to cultivate this natural vibrato is just a really good exhale on one note. So we're just going to start on an easy note right now. We're going to go here, E, okay, and what we're going to do is actually sing that on an ooh, okay. I'd like you to start your vibrato training on the vowel ooh. It's just a really great one to start on. And so what you're going to do is you'll take the breath in, and if you haven't already checked out my videos on how to breathe correctly, please do go onto YouTube and make sure you watch those videos so that you understand how to actually take a good breath. But assuming that you know how to do that and you've really used your rib cage to expand, now you're going to just practice just holding that note, just for 4 counts only. So, and as you're holding it for 4 counts on the note, you're going to slowly exhale the breath across those 4 counts, okay? Alright, so here we go. So it's a good inhale, which is just a stretch in the ribs, and then you go, ooh, okay? You'll do that again. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, were you able to exhale the breath slowly across the 4 counts? If not, that's completely fine, okay? You just need to keep practicing that. And once you get the hang of that, up the count to 6. So let's try 6 now. We get a good ribcage stretch to inhale, and then on the exhale for 6 evenly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wonderful! Now once you've gotten the hang of 6, we'll go up, you guessed it, to 8 counts. So let's give that a go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And stop. How'd you go? Alright, let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so hopefully you're starting to get the hang of the idea, at least of what we're trying to achieve, which is we're just trying to achieve the breath coming out in the exact number of those counts. And of course, as you get good at 8, you're going to increase that to 10, and then 12, and then 14, and then 16, 18, and up to 20. I don't think you need to go beyond 20. I think 20 is just, that's the ultimate, okay? And then once you've actually achieved it on that and you're really starting to see that you know how to control that exhale, then what you would do is you'd take it up a note. So we were at an E just now, an E above middle C. You will take it up to maybe a G, you know, and you do the same exercise again, starting from 4 and then increasing all the way up to 20 counts. So that does take time to cultivate. So don't rush. Don't feel like you need to like achieve, you know, amazing breath release straight away in a day. No. Rome wasn't built in a day, and your voice isn't going to be built in a day either. Just do a little bit by little bit daily, all right? Okay, and then after we have mastered the breathing side of it, the second thing is to really learn how to sing with an open, free throat. So I'm going to give you an exercise to help you with that. We're going to sing a goog goog. So it has to sound really dumb, like goog goog goog. All right, it cannot be pretty. If you sing this pretty, it's just not going to achieve what we're trying to do, okay? What I'm trying to help you do is to not have your larynx come up, which is one of the reasons why we can't sing with vibrato when we're really getting tight up there, and to really just create the space that you need. So it needs to sound dumb, okay? All right, we're going to sing a triad like that, and it's going to be on a goog. So I'll do the first couple with you, and then you go ahead and try that on your own. So goog, 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 goog. Songbird, 2 amazing things for you to cultivate and work on to help you develop a natural sounding, correctly executed vibrato. What you'll actually find is that as you practice this over a period of time and you start to get better, when you do the first exercise we went through, you're going to start to hear that natural vibrato coming in, and it's going to feel like it's just happening itself and you're not putting it on, and you know, it's going to be amazing. So I can't wait for you to achieve that. So enjoy that exercise, practice it every day, you're going to love it. Now before I go, I have to tell you about my Vocal Revolution program. It's a program that I created with you in mind to really help you to become the singer that you were created to be. It's got 20 modules, video modules, where it's like me and you sitting at a piano together, going through the lessons together as if we were in a one-on-one coaching session. There's audio MP3s that you can download into your phone to really practice on the run, and also a private Facebook group where you can join this group and I hang out in there to answer questions and to give you feedback on your voice and things like that. So it's really, really cool, amazing program and community that you are absolutely going to love. And so if you want to learn more about that, please also click on the link in the description box and you'll be able to find out more details about my Vocal Revolution program. Alright, thank you so much for watching, Songbird. I am always believing in you. Continue to practice and to believe that you can do it, because I believe in you. Alright, see you later. Bye.